Welcome, everybody. We are in year three of talking about summer reading and your library website. And it is mid-May, and I'm today is the first sunny day where I'm looking outside and seeing the kids out on the playground at recess looking happy and seeing some classes sitting outside taking in their doing their outdoor end of year work. So maybe we're getting a little bit closer to actual summer, feeling a little bit more of the vibe. So hoping that you guys are getting ready for summer reading as well and getting the summer reading stuff up on your website. Hopefully is the next big priority that you are ready to address because you've been booking those performers, you've been setting up your theme. I saw a library that was decorating with dinosaurs last week. It's happening. And if you've got all of your ducks in a row out there and it's time to do your website, this is our annual review, and we're going to get ourselves up and moving and ready to do this. So, summer reading and your website really is website skills come together in one big thing all at once, sort of hit. There is a lightweight method to do this if you are pretty new or pretty basic. If your website's skills are pretty basic, there is a great method where all you need to do is make a post that will appear in your homepage slider. You can get as much information in there and direct people back to your library itself with any questions. You do not need to go all out and create an entire web page. That said, if you are ready for that, or if you've been doing that in the past and you just want to brush up on your skills, this really is the point at which we're going to put from beginning to end your entire website skill set to good use. It is also a point where we're going to talk a lot about all of that prep work that you've been doing in putting your images together, your messages together, all of your marketing materials, and how you make those website friendly and website ready. I have done this. So this summer reading in your library website training post has been up here, and I'm going to put this into chat for reference. This has been, like I said, I think this is the third year running that we've done this. And so if you go down to the bottom of this training, you will see the very first summer reading in your library website presentation. Then I was actually looking back at last year's and I'm like, this is actually kind of good. It really covers the whole thing from start to finish as how to get things up into your website. So between these two past recordings, you might really hit everything that we need to talk about. So today I'm going to do a little less on the step-by-step intensive discussion and a little more on the changes and the tweaks that we are making that are really specific to accessibility. And I'll go through the process. I'm just not going to go through it quite as step and involved because these recordings are already here and the and kind of your entire process is here. So when I go through some of the work and updating my website for my library this year, I'm going to do a little less on the how and a little bit more on the how to make it accessible part of the process. So again, go back, review this training page. It talks through all of the skills that you might need to be able to do this. And more than that, I think what I want to emphasize is here is your big picture checklist. The things you should know and you should have figured out before you even approach your website, what is happening, what you've got planned, who is your audience, and how do they go about doing it. And once you've got this information down, you can approach your website. If you are not feeling that groovy about doing a full website page, if you haven't done a page for a while, or you just want to keep it simple this year, this is going to do how to do a summer reading blog post. And that may be all you need to have on your website to have it front, center, and available to your audience. So you should have a blog post. and it should have the following information. And here, oh, I already found an edit I need to make. We need to get rid of this where it says PDF format because we are not using PDFs whenever possible, and we will be talking about that some more today. But the things you need to bring into making a blog post are what is the title of your post, which is probably Summer Reading or Summer Reading 2026. All of the answers to the who, what, where, when, why, and well, why and how, and have that written out in text. Like make sure you hit all those bullet points. Come with your press release. Come with your marketing text. You need to know your categories. You need to have a featured image. And in this case, for today's example, we are going to be using an image of 795 by 500. I will very quickly go over, and again, this is covered in the other previous recordings, how I come up with that size and how I create one of that size. You need to know when the information needs to appear on your website and the date that is going to be taken off of your website. The documents that you might need somebody to download, and we're going to be talking this year about putting them in SharePoint and not putting PDFs on your website, and any links to any other, maybe you have a partner, that a sponsor, or somebody that you're going to be highlighting. So make sure you have this information before you do it. Then when you're ready, there is a how to create a standard blog post with featured image on your a training document here that will take you through step by step and help you do this. I again will do it very quickly today. I've done it a little more detailed in past trainings, but this is really going to be where you want to come to get the step by step for how to make a blog post. And then if down below, there will be adding summer reading page or post to your website menu instructions. And we may go over that if we have some time today. That's if you're ready for making a post, which you should do even if you're doing a website or a web page. If you are making a web page and you're starting from scratch, if you haven't done this before, you can create your own web page by building or cloning another page of your website, or you can request a copy of the summer reading program demonstration page that I am going to show you in a minute. The demonstration page basically covers it just has some basic modules and rows and content set up that can be adapted to your summer reading program. If you email the website help@librarieswin.org, we can get that onto your website and help you customize it. So the things that you would need if you are going to be using our demonstration page as a model is you need a banner. And probably if you're doing the Cooperative Summer Reading Program banner, you will want that marketing tool. You need your image in English, although the ideal is that there's no words on your image, so your image is just a picture. And then you need to have alternative text for that image, and we're going to use that Image Accessibility Creator to generate that alternative text if you are not comfortable writing it. Then you need your summer program content, and you need documents. And again, we are taking out the PDF part of this. We are going to do an accessible SharePoint document. And that might be a registration form, it might be a calendar. And we'll talk, you could use a PDF for a registration form, but you need to make sure that you have an accessible version. So maybe it's an online registration form as your alternative. And for step-by-step instructions, you can watch the video down below. That is also on YouTube, and this will tell you where to start for doing that. So again, you can do a blog post, and there are instructions on the blog post, and there is a website office hour step-by-step video on how to do this as well. And then finally, we'll talk a little bit about adding that stuff to your website menu, but let's get through creating the content first. So I, for the last several years, have been doing a summer reading program at the Blue Pine Library, located somewhere in Wisconsin. And I just have a page a page and a post that I update every year based on the information based on our program. And my program doesn't change very much. We keep it simple. We've got basically all the same things. So my updating and making of information for my summer reading program is pretty straightforward. I had to build it one time. Now every year I just have to come in and update it. So actually, this is the page. And this, again, this page is available as a demonstration page, and I'm going to do some tweaking to it this year, but this page is available to you in both English and Spanish as a template page that we can put onto your website if you so choose. Before I go into editing the page, though, I am going to back up and I'm going to go to my dashboard and I am going to start with my post this time. So if you are just here and you are not interested in trying to take on a page, even if we give you a template, that is fine. I will go through first how to make sure that you have a post ready for your website. So on the back end, we're in the Divi or we're in the WordPress back end dashboard, and I came to posts, and I have an existing post from previous years called the Summer Reading Program. I could come up here and do add new post, and I can start from scratch. Again, there's a training video and everything on how to make sure that I get that post information in there for the first time. I'm going to go ahead and work with an existing post because again, one year I had to create all of this information. Now it doesn't change very much, so I just recycle every year. So the essential pieces of a post are a title, the slug that the end of the URL that you are going to make. And because it's a summer reading program, you can use the default slug, which is going to be whatever the title is with hyphens between it. So the default would be summer-reading-program. I decided to shorten it to summer reading because this way I can print it on a poster and people can go, oh, this library.org/summer-reading, that's a memorable and easy marketing tool there to be able to find it directly. I am not going to use the Divi Builder. I am working entirely in WordPress, and this is not going to be a complicated post. It's a little more complicated than some, and again, that was a demonstration for accessibility. And this is also a good example of using good skills for, it's not a web page, but I'm using slightly more advanced skills. This is my text box, and this is where, again, I need that who, what, where, why, how do they register, when are the dates of the program, who can be involved. And so what I have done in the past is I had the Blue Pine Summer Reading Program begins, and last year it began on June 9th and it went through August 16th. I am going to modify those dates because this year it's going to start on June 8th, which is a Monday. And it's going to run through, I believe it is August 15th. Let me double check that. Oh, August 14th. Yeah, there's an extra date. So August 14th. Well, no, August 15th, because that's a Friday. Our end of year celebration is on, let's see. Yep, August 15th. So I'm going to, this year, our end of summer reading party is on a Saturday instead of a Friday. So all ages are welcome to participate. You can participate in weekly and summer-long challenges to gain entry into our end of summer prize drawing. And so now this is where I have used a little more of a complex setup. I did not need to do this, but I have several sections of information on this page and I want to make it very accessible. I have summer reading challenges, summer reading events, and more summer reading information. So each one of these is a heading, and this is going to make it navigable both to a screen reader and to the eyes. So a person looking at this post will very quickly see here is a major heading on this. And I am using heading 2 because Summer Reading Program, our title, is our heading 1. So the very big thing on our page is heading 1. The next major outline topic is a heading 2. And if I had more points of interest underneath, they would be heading 3. Here is summer reading challenges. We have our 3 challenges. Here is my heading 2 for summer reading events. It is possible that I would choose to make this a heading 3 for the summer reading kickoff, but I'm not going to do that this year. Or I'm not going to make it that complicated. I'm just going to put bullet points in here. So every year at the Blue Pine Library, we have our summer reading kickoff. And then we have a July 4th parade march where everybody comes out and marches in the parade. And then at the end, we have our end of summer reading party. And that's all I'm putting in my post are the 3 major highlights for the summer reading events. And then for more summer reading information, I have, because I'm going to make a web page in a second for the summer reading, I have a link to that. And I'm actually going to change the way I do this because we were talking about descriptive links. So instead of writing out the full URL, I am going to take that away. The Blue Pine Library Summer Reading Program web page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that link and I'm actually going to create a chunk of text, descriptive text, and I'm going to apply that link. So it reads like a full sentence, but the link is incorporated right into the sentence without having the .org being read out loud by a screen reader. Plus, it's kind of nicer to read for us. I am also going to be changing this because the activity tracker last year was a PDF. Well, PDFs are going away. I'm not going to put the link on here yet because I need to upload that, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. So I'm going to download the activity tracker here. I'm going to leave this as a blank and we will come back to this. Now, the next piece is, so this is everything down. Title, slug, content with appropriate headings. Now I'm going to come over and see my categories. On my website, I want this to appear on the homepage in the homepage slider. And I also happen to have an adult program and a youth program slider on my website. So I have these categories checked as well. My featured image. Last year it was Color Our World, and this year we get to dig up dinosaurs. So instead of having our Color Our World information in here, I'm going to replace this, and I am going to have to make a new featured image. I'm going to move through this fairly quickly because last year I went into a lot of detail about how I do this. But the way I do all of my website work is in Canva. I do 2 different things, and I've already done this one. I create a custom sized blog post. So all of my blog posts on my website are the same size. I create a running template, a template in Canva, and I just add to it each year. So last year was the summer reading program slogan image. And if I wanted to do a new one, I would just click on add page. And in this case, I already added a page and I have stolen, because I'm not a paid member. So I stole it, but you guys use your appropriate summer reading images. And I have the summer reading theme with the dinosaurs on it. If you want to see how I did that quick, all I did was I took the one that I uploaded to Canva. It's not exactly the right size. See, it's not quite there, so I'm just going to adjust it. But this way I have our dinosaurs and we're ready to go. Then I'm going to download. Oh, and this is what a couple different things you can do for image accessibility. You can, what I was doing last year, but you may not be required to do it this year. I was putting in Unearth a Story summer reading image with 3 dino. Let's see. Ugh, some child is going to yell at me, but pterodactyl. How do you spell pterodactyl? Anyway, a pterodactyl reading a book, a pterodactyl and Tyrannosaurus Rex reading a book, and I don't know who this guy is over here. Some child is going to yell at me for not knowing that. And then I'm going to share this, download it as PNG. I'm only going to download this page, and I'm going to hit download. And I've actually already done this for my sanity. And again, I go into a lot of detail on this. When I download it, I put in the size of the image right into the title so that I know what I'm working with. And that's also how when I set up this template, it has the blog post size of the title. So I have downloaded that. And now I'm going to remove this featured image. Oh, actually, I need to do one other thing. I need to create some alternative text. So this is linked, and I will put this into chat, but yeah, thank you, Sarah. I will copy the pterodactyl in. If we'll see if this accessibility creator actually identifies the dinosaurs correctly. Let me do that. So this is the Arizona State University tool. It's an AI tool for creating alternative text. And what you do is you upload an image, and I'm going to do the Unearth a Story blog post. And then I'm going to create image details. Oh, I really didn't take it. Okay. We have wondered if we have been breaking this by recommending it so much. So let's try that again. Okay, so there's our image, and now I'm going to do create image details. And notice that it's running up here. Oh, it didn't identify them, but even AI won't take a chance on offending a 3-year-old. So it gives you a long description here, but what we are looking for is the alternative text, which is dinosaurs reading books in a jungle-themed library, which I think is really cute. It does transcribe the text in the chat, but or in this, but I think we're for this one because it's merely decorative. I am just going to stick with. I could put with the words "unearth a story." Oh, maybe I will actually when I upload that because I didn't put Unearth a Story in my post anywhere. I just said the summer reading program. So I'm now going to come over here and do set a featured image. I'm going to upload files, and in this case, I'm going to put into my post images folder, and I'm going to look for my Unearth a Story blog post and let that upload. And then I'm going to come over here and, oops, needed to copy that. Hit post and put this into the alt text box over here. So I will say, let's see, I am going to, if Sarah spelled it wrong, that's going to be on her. So a pterodactyl and Tyrannosaurus Rex reading books in a jungle themed library with the summer reading slogan unearth a story behind. Oops, it's supposed to be that behind them. Note that I do use punctuation at the end, and the reason is screen readers will pause and they will emphasize punctuation. Capitalization is not as important, but having that comma or other pause is actually pretty critical in there. As we have come to find out. So now I've got that. I click out, make sure you click out of the alt text box and into another box to make sure that the alt text does save. And then I'm going to set that as my featured image. So then do I ever use the Canva alt text suggestions? That I have not played with them recently. So if Leanne's having good experience with that, you may not have to go out to the ASU. I wasn't very happy with them to begin with, but things are improving rapidly. So by all means, try Canva. That's great. If you're translating like for Spanish, Maria, um, yes, if you are posting in Spanish as a side by side and not as a separate item, I would do alt text with the Spanish and or other translations. It can get pretty messy after a while, but you're asking everybody to read both languages. Um, that's actually a really good question. Is it better to create separate content in separate languages, or is it better to combine and just have everything there? Regardless, have everything in one place for now, and then we will talk about like I have to investigate that. So very good. Good questions. The next thing on this side, if you have the Publish Press plugin, Publish Press Future plugin, it's a very awkward name for a very handy plugin. If you have this installed on your website, you will see a Future Actions widget over on the side. And where this comes in super handy is I know I have my summer reading end of summer reading party on August 15th. I want this off of my website come August 15th. So I'm going to change the status of my post to draft, or I'm just going to move it to trash. But because I'm going to use it again next year, I'm just going to make it a draft. And I want that to happen, sure, 2 a.m. on August 15th. So at 2 a.m. on August 15th, my summer reading information post is going to go off of my website automatically. And so I've got that set. If you do not have this on your website and you want it, send us a help ticket, send website help@librarieswin.org, and we can get that on there for you. It's a really handy feature to have because then you don't have to wake up at 2:15 on August 15th and delete that post off your website. Now the last step is to publish or update it. Before you do that, if you're recycling like I am, make sure you check the publication date and update it to this year. So I'm going to change this to May 14th at 2:17 p.m., which is fine, 2026, so that I make sure this is bumped to the top of my queue and it doesn't get buried down at the bottom of my post list. That is a very easy thing to do where you are like, but I created a post and it's not showing up on my website. Make sure because they're going to post in the chronological order and you want, by newest first. So make sure that it has the right year in it. And then oh, 4:17 p.m. is a schedule. The time that I might need to check it. Let's just do February 13th. Um, there. I need to check the time on my website. That is not in sync with current time. Okay. So I'm going to update that. And now I can go out to my Blue Pine library. Let's visit my site. And right here at the top of my list, I now have my summer reading program with Unearth a Story. And oh, what I didn't do. I see. This is why I check on things. What I did not do. Let's go back. I skipped a step. This is why I need my checklist in front of me. And if you go to the how to create a post, there is a handy dandy printable checklist. It may need to be updated at some point, but there will be an update. There will be a checklist there, which will remind you to do because the last step in here is to create a post excerpt, which instead of grabbing all of this text and feeding it into your blog carousel, you will only have this text appear. And the problem is you have to manually update it. They call it a handcrafted summary, which means you have to do the work. But then what it will do is it will only have this information appearing on the front of your website instead of a run-on sentence with dot, dot, dot with all of the content of your post. So now let's see what what that looks like. And waiting for this to load. There's my website. And now I have Unearth a Story and it has an excerpt with the correct dates in it. Okay, so we've added our post. We've got that done and over way, but our post refers to a web page that doesn't exist or hasn't been updated yet. So now, because, and you may not need anything more than this on your website, but we want to have an entire web page updated. So I'm going to launch into how to update this page on my site with my information. And again, if you want to have this, if you want to have this template put on your site, send us a help ticket. So, get rid of this add post. So here's my color our world from last year, and I'm going to start working in here. Back-end Divi Builder can be really scary for some people who, and I admit that it's not always the easiest to work with when you're trying to get that visual aspect down. If your page is built, you may not need to look at this backside because you're not going to be doing a lot of things, moving things around. So I have two choices here. I can go to my front page and click on Enable Visual Builder, or on the back, I can stay on the back side where I still have access to some of this information and click on this desktop view icon. And then I can begin editing the visual side on the back end. I just want to give you options. And some people like to have access to, you still can like get to your control panel or your dashboard things and other things from being on the back end. You know, this is all still here for you. You can see what it's going to look like on tablet or on mobile view from back here. But if you are more comfortable working on the visual builder, that is also fine. For today, I'm going to go ahead and use the visual builder. I don't need the other distractions. And so I'm going to load Divi. So the things that I need to do here, I'm not going to have to change any structure because again, I'm recycling everything that existed, but I need to make some updates for the 2026 reading theme. And I've learned some accessibility things over the last year, so I need to make some changes to reflect that. The very top thing off the top is changing my banner. And if you went back to that summer reading checklist, if you're doing this, you need a banner image. And the banner image is a particular size to work really well. So for this, we're going to go back to Canva. And I have created an events banner page. It's a 2048 by 616 pixels. I have created this. If you watch the other video, you can see how you can create this. We went kind of through step by step on the other video, but I already have this template going for myself. I'm going to add a page so that I can put my dinosaur in here. And I have already gone online and found my Unearth a Story image. So I've got that. And the good news is this year it's pretty darn close to the right size. So I'm just going to drag it. And actually, it might be almost exactly the right size. So now I have my my summer reading Unearth a Story banner. So I'm just going to put Unearth a Story 2026 summer reading. And now I'm going to download that. And I want to download page 3. Nope. Download page 3. And I'm going to do it as a PNG. And I'm going to, oops, I actually need to do that. Well, notice what it does. I'm sorry, I'm going to actually back out of that one. What it does is it uses this title, which is really handy if you're familiar. Custom page 3. It uses this Unearth a Story summer reading. I'm going to save that. And it is showing up in my, yep. Okay, so now I can go back. So the first thing I'm going to do, oh, next thing, and I was going to use the Canva. It's going to use the Canva alt text, but well, you will continue with the ASU alt text, maybe, unless it's broken. I'm going to go back to Canva. Browse files, unearth earth, a story. There's my image. I'm going to hit create image details. Two cartoon dinosaurs in a jungle with the phrase unearth a story at the center, except it's missing the whole pile of books piece. So it's a pretty good, I'll start with that, but I'm going to um, tweak it. So my summer reading program, that's right. I'm going to trash my Color Our World, and I'm going to add an image. And here's where I have to upload my file, page images. And where is my dinosaur picture? Wait for that to finish uploading. And I'm going to paste in my this two cartoon dinosaurs reading books in a jungle with the phrase unearth a story in the center. And I'm going to go ahead and leave out the T-Rex and pterodactyl this time. Again, click away just to make sure that your attachment details are saved with adding the alt text. It can be really frustrating if you come back and you're like, but I put in alt text. If you don't click out of this alt text box, sometimes it doesn't save it. And now I've uploaded my Unearth a Story banner. Again, I'm recycling. So the best thing I can do is just go right down here and change the things. My summer reading is going to begin on June 8th and run through August 15th. And this is the next area that I need to do some major accessibility addressing in. So back to accessibility discussions. Again, we are working with headers, which makes our pages navigable. Your summer library reading program is the title or the heading 1 of the page. The next major section is summer reading materials, then summer reading challenges, then summer reading performers, and finally summer reading events. If somebody comes with a screen reader, just like you do with your eyes, you can very quickly scan down and be like, okay, I'm just looking for the events. I just want to get down to these major events that we have, and you can jump right to that information. Making headings makes that possible for a screen reader so they can listen to just summer reading materials, challenges, performers, and events, and they can pick to jump to events without having to listen to all of this information word by word in between. So that's great. We have a really good structure on here. What I do not have on here is really good materials because our sample book tracker from last year in both English and Spanish are PDFs. And this is what we're going to be getting away from. We do not want to be using PDFs. So this is going to require some new steps this year. And the new steps involve taking documents, uploading them to our SharePoint folder, and then linking them onto this page. So what I'm going to do is highlight these, and I'm going to break, oh, ah, cancel. Okay. I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to click on the link, and I'm going to delete the link. Or if I click on this, there. I'm going to delete these links, break these links out. So the text can stay there, but I'm going to create new links for this text. And the calendar of events is actually fine because it just links out to our website calendar. So that one, that's just a calendar. These were the download documents that are problematic. So I have both English and Spanish created in Word. I have created some very, very simple reading logs. But I'll show you what this looks like. I actually stole it. It's a Word template. I didn't steal it. I would not recommend using this because this is not going to fit your needs at all. But the point here is that I have created a template in a Word document, And when I click down here, it says that the accessibility is good to go. It has checked for reading contrast to make sure that the text versus the background, it's legible. It's not missing any alt text. It's checked for missing alternative text. This is what's key with this one is that table headers, because this is a table and it needs to know that these items at the top are the header of the table and they apply to each of these rows and columns. This is already done for us. It's a whole other discussion on how to make this happen, but in the end, you want to make sure that your tables are formatted to have headers. It also, the document structure is really simple. I don't have to have any headings throughout the document, and it's not restricted access. So the basic accessibility functions are met in this document. So I am safe now to close this document, and I am going to go to my library. This is base one, but it is the Blue Pine Library library website repository. I've already had this set up. If you are still waiting or you don't have your SharePoint set up, please send a ticket to us. Again, it's website help@librarieswin.org. Send us a ticket and request a SharePoint. Just put SharePoint in the subject line and we can work on getting that set up for you. What you will get is a SharePoint site library with some folders in it. And I have library board documents, policy documents, and post documents as default folders in here, plus some templates. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it Summer Reading because I'm going to use it multiple years. And you can create as many folders in this place as you want. And so I want a folder called Summer Reading Program. And I'm going to go ahead and actually I'm going to create a 2026 folder. And once I have this folder created, I can come over here to where I have my book log and my Spanish language book log and move these into this folder. It sometimes takes a minute. It says uploaded 2 items. It may take a minute to appear. And so now they're here. And so now I have these as an accessible form because we checked the accessibility. And now I can link these to my site. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the item that I want to link and come up here to copy link. And it's going to say anyone with the link can view. They can't edit, but they can view it. So now I come back to my page, not that one, just close that. Okay, come back to my page and I have my sample book tracker in English. And I'm going to put that link and I'm going to put that SharePoint link into that spot. Now I'm going to do the same thing, rinse and repeat back to my SharePoint site. Right click on my Spanish language. Just wait for that to finish spinning. Okay, fine. Do that again. Right click. So I just refreshed. Try copy link again. Now it copied the link. Just got hung up there. Come back here, highlight sample book tracker in Spanish, click on insert link, and I have my SharePoint link in there, and I click OK. And now I have my new links on my page that are now accessible links rather than PDFs. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and save my page right now. And once that finishes spinning, come back out to my summer reading program page, and we're not done with it yet, but we're close. Oh, cute. It doubled my header. When did you do that? Websites are always fun. Okay, I got a double header. I have to fix that. But coming down to summer reading program materials, And I have a sample book tracker in English and Spanish. Actually, here's a better way to demonstrate how this works. I'm going to open this in an incognito um, browser where I can't, nothing is signed in. Again, I got that weird double thing. But when I click on the book tracker, now it comes up. Um, you cannot edit it. You can't do anything except you can export as a PDF, or you can print it, which will create a PDF for printing. So a person can come on here and print this item, but it is screen reader friendly so they can hear it. They're not going to be able to fill it out, but they can hear what it is. We can talk about like whether you need to create an online tracker, but for now, you are meeting the requirements. So that's what that looks like. Let's go back to editing this page, and why I got a double of my header is a really interesting question. Give me a second here. That's supposed to be phone only. Okay, well, I will deal with that issue later. If that happens to you guys, send a ticket. We will look at it. So again, my summer reading challenges, none of this information has changed. And for the most part, this is, so we keep it simple. We do the same thing every year. Everybody knows what they're to expect. They love it. So our summer reading challenges are done. Summer reading performers, for the most part, we stay the same every year. We always book Isaiah and Reggie and Stuart Stotts, and life is good. However, for the face painting, I don't have a picture of face painting. I always just put up the generic um, featured image. So again, I need to come in here. These are all blurbs, blurb modules. So they all basically behave the same. When you click on the module settings, what you're going to get is a blurb setting with the title face painting. It'll have the date bolded, but what I want to do is change my image. So I'm going to trash my image, add image, and now I'm back to my media library. But the good news is I'm reusing the one that I just did for the post. So I don't have to re-upload anything. I've got the same one, and it already still has the alternative text typed in. So then I just upload that image and I click OK, and now that has been updated for this year's summer reading. Something I said to do last year, so this is not so much it's sort of an accessibility thing. I said to make a change last year, which was related to accessibility, but turns out it's broken now. I just noticed in the last few weeks that if you have this page and you come down here and you right click on one of these blurbs, um, sorry, specifically on the text, because if I click on it, it opens, oh, and these open in a new tab. So these need to change. If I click on it, it opens it in a new tab. The other thing that is broken about it is if you right click on it, there's no option to say open in a new window or open in a new tab. That has just recently changed. I don't remember that being an issue before. So we need to make two changes in order to fix that issue. I am going to come into this module, click on module settings, and I am going to come down to link. And I am going to move it from module link to title link. This means you will have to click up here on Magic of Isaiah to make it go somewhere. But what it does do is allow you to do the right click, open in a new tab. And a reason for that, we were actually just discussing this in the 201. We want all of our links to open in the same window now. That's for accessibility, that we can't have new tabs and new windows opening all the time. So we want everything opening in that same spot on that page. That way you can navigate backwards. A lot of us, especially in this Magic of Isaiah, it opens a website that is outside of ours. And we don't necessarily want to send people away from our websites. So what this does is allow you, and I've just become a habit. I always open, I always right click, open a new tab, right click, open a new tab. That way I'm not navigating away from my place. But since they took away the ability to do it when it's a module link, sorry, I'm rambling a little bit here. The point is, make sure all of your links go into the title link URL and it opens in the same window. So I'm going to make that change to each one of these. Link is a title link and it opens in the same window, just for good measure. Stuart Stotts, somebody's going to, that is a title link, but it opens in the same window. And finally, face painting link, and it opens in the same window. Sarah asked a good question. Is this one of those things where you can copy and paste module styles? I do not think so. I haven't tested this theory, but I think moving where the link is located is not one of those things that is affected by copying and pasting module styles. And the reason I think that without testing it is another trick I learned. This is an advanced technique. If you are familiar with copying and pasting module styles, I found out that you can copy and paste just the element for another module. So if I had done custom spacing and I click on these three dots over here, I can copy spacing styles or I can extend spacing styles to all the modules in this row. So like I could extend spacing styles to all blurbs in this row, and that would just affect the spacing. It wouldn't affect the other formatting. Since that is not an option when I come to content and the link, I don't think I can make that work the way you're thinking. And that's just a theory, but that's where I get my educated guess from. I'm going to double check these and make sure there are no links for these. These are just, there's no link. It doesn't go anywhere. It's just informational. Make sure of that. So these are good. Image icon, no link, no link. And I'm going to save my work. We're getting down to, yeah, the module style pacing never works the way I want to. It's a magic when it works. It really is. It saves so much time. And then all the times it doesn't work. Going about it. In the last 5 minutes, and I will stay a little after if you guys have questions. I'm not, that's not a problem, but I do, other than my weird, I don't know what's going on with my double header up here. I kind of, actually, I wonder if I do know what's going on. What happens if I just delete it? And there's a random B up there too. Okay, for now, I'm just gonna delete this because I don't know what's going on. Okay, let me refresh this one more time. The last thing that comes with accessibility, and this will be rolling out to all libraries over the course of this next year as we get to remediating your websites, hopefully yet this year, and if not, very shortly into the future. There, now we got rid of that extra header. We're done. We've done all of our updates. Page is happy. We're happy with the page the way it looks. It's got all the content updated. What is going to be the next coming step as this rolls out to your library is checking your accessibility with the plugin, the accessibility checker. You'll see this in two places. You'll see it if I were to go back to, let's exit Visual Builder here. If I were to go back to that post that I just made, I'll show you where it is there. If you are signed into your website and you have the plugin installed, and by signed in, I mean that you can see this black bar up here and you have your login information over on the right. you will see a little yellow icon in the bottom corner that tells that you have the accessibility checker installed and you can check the accessibility of this page and do a scan on it. I just did an entire presentation specifically on the results of this scan and how to interpret them. This is something that we will be training heavily on once it gets rolled out. We have to do a lot of remediation on sites, fixing of sites with some very basic structural things that you can't do. So I warn people to use this with caution because it can be really confusing with what you can fix and what you can't. But we will want everybody to get in the habit of clicking on this thing, let it load, and it will pull up and it will tell you, it'll put little symbols by the things that are broken. Um, Again, anything that's up here is going to be confusing for a while because these are things that you can't fix or probably can't fix. And we need to do some back end fixing. But as you move through, we're just going to click through these things up at the top of the screen. Now notice that it has done a pink outline around my library scavenger hunt. That is something that I am responsible for. I put it in here. I need to figure out what's going on. And it says that the image has empty alternative text. So when I did this a couple years ago, I did not add alternative text to this image. And I now need to go back, edit this page, and whether I put it into the accessibility creator or I come up with my own description of it, I need to add alternative text to this. And then same thing here, I'll empty alternative text. This one, again, I have empty alternative text for all of these. Now it's going to tell me something a little different. It says this text to be visually styled, appears to be visually styled like a heading text, but is not marked with heading tag. We'll talk a little more about this, but basically if it's looking at anything that looks like it's bolded or a slightly larger font size, it's going to ask you, are you sure this isn't a heading? In this case, we have a heading 2. These are heading 3. These are not intended to be headings down here. So I can ignore that, but I need to know that I can ignore that. And it also comes up as a warning as opposed to, a warning as opposed to a critical error. And again, now it's just pulling up all of those. And that's it. I have to add alternative text to each one of these. Notice it said there was alternative, it didn't error this because there is alternative text. I need to go back and I need to add my alternative text. I can ignore these warnings about it being a heading, and my page is good to go. I've done my scan. Very quickly, if I go back to my post where I just did my summer reading program, I can also review the accessibility from the back end. So I'm back here, I have my title, I have my text content, and I have the accessibility checker widget box down below. It will tell me that there are 7 problems and 11 warnings on the page. When I click on accessibility analysis, it's going to tell me where the issues are. So if it says a number here, missing table header, and a number, it'll tell you there's one thing, there's improper use of link, a possible heading error, link opens in tab or new window, and then all the rest of these are zeros. So even though there's like colors after them, there's green check boxes and a 0 here. So these are the ones that I need to look at. If I wanted to figure out where that was, this is scary, gives you a whole bunch of code. You're like, what does this mean? I don't understand. Over here, there is action to view on page where it will bring it up on the front end for you. When it loads, it's going to scan it and it's going to bring you down to where the error is. And so this is the missing, it's a table with a missing header. This again is a structural issue that we need to deal with because it's in the footer. So nothing for you to fix. That means that everything in the actual post box here is just fine. And you have no issues to worry about. And that is summer reading in a very big nutshell, and with a big sprinkling of accessibility on the side. And every year we just get a little bit better at this. And I am learning. I look back at my past 3 years of work and I've gotten it down to a system for my Blue Pine library that I don't have to think too hard. I use the same format. I can very quickly and easily put the text and the new pictures and new images in. The hard part of planning my entire summer reading is done. And now I just need to update, and I've got my website done. I still need to put it into the menu. And there is a video for doing that so that I can make sure that when you come up to programs, the summer reading program is in my drop-down menu. There is a video for that. And if you get to this point and you don't know how to get it into your menu, let us know, and I'm more than happy to help you out. And that's what I have at 3:02 p.m. So I took up the whole hour, but if anybody has questions, I'm more than happy to stick around and answer them. This is a big part of our year. So thank you for coming. And I can stop the recording too, so that way if anybody has questions and you're shy, that's also okay. Thank you all for coming today.